It's your boy Tion. We back with another video. It's been like a month, but I've decided to come back and make an art video. I got a little creative with the Gengar. All right, look. This is the inspiration. So it's an old picture of Gengar that I really like the colors to, and I was just pretty much playing around. So I decided to go about my coloring process because I kind of already finished it, and it's not perfect. On this screen down here, it's a lot more lighter than the one at the top. So I'm trying to fix the colors and stuff, but it really does look nice. I think I kind of got the style of how like the glitchy effect. I didn't get it too specific, but like I got it enough where really do like this. Pretty much I'm just going in here and I'm trying to brighten these colors up, because again on this screen it seems perfect, but on maybe my monitor is a different color. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm really just tripping. It could be a nigga could be tripping, but it looks amazing. Like, 10 out of 10, artistic approach. I like to mess around with the colors a lot, and I decided to go with this purple, because Gengar is still purple, but this purple white type of glitchy like effect, I think it looks good. Also, this was the original before I pasteurized it, and then take some of the colors out. It brings some of the, it just distorts it, and I think it turned out real for like what I was trying to go for. But again, like, this was the original, and I think I got it down pat. I told myself, I think a challenge, because I love Pokemon. That's one of the things I do love a lot. Like, I played Pokemon a lot as a kid. I just I don't draw a lot of like anime or Pokemon, even though I love this shit. So we gonna brighten up his eyes. So yeah, his eyes on the screen is kind of like, they're not really yellow, and he has this yellowness to him. So it's more, again, I could be tripping. I could definitely be tripping, but they look a little bit more yellow. So we do that, Like, it's so cool. Like, I love digital art because you can just come and easily add things. It doesn't even take too long. But I could play with the saturation a little bit, play with the luminance, add some more, get some more lights in there. But I think I'm fine with what I had, because now I'm just messing up. But this is my favorite part. Like, literally messing with the colors is probably my favorite part. I'll probably end up having like 3-4 different variations of just this one picture, because I think it really turned out nice. I wasn't too sure, because I was gonna use it as an icon. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to like make a background for it or anything like that, but I might have to go in here and like clean up some of these lines on the outside. I guess I'll add some effects around the back, just to bring them out a little bit more, because I was just making an icon, because I'm telling myself, I'm like, look, if I can draw in like increments of an hour, maybe, like, I can definitely make some cool shit in an hour. But it has to be like an everyday thing. I have to do it consistently. Like, I can't be slacking, because I know I'd be like, yeah, I'm gonna come back, start making videos. Nope, you don't see a goddamn video from me. At this point, this is just extra decor, because the main product is completely done already. I need to draw more Pokemon, because I really do like Pokemon. And here's a story, funny story. As a kid, I couldn't play Pokemon. So I had to sneak and play it, because my dad was very religious, and he thought these were monsters. Isn't that crazy? He thought these were the devils, demons. I mean, look at Gengar. Can he really be a demon? Can this guy really be a demon? Like, if you really want to look at him, cute as shit, right? Like, he couldn't hurt nobody. Like, I don't know who he's talking about. But some Pokemon, out to kill. But usually, Pokemon don't die. They just kind of, fade from existence and, get trapped in a Pokeball. But hey, I love the game. I love it so much. And the fact that I couldn't play it, I snuck it, because I had a friend. His name was Devin, and he had all the Pokemon games. I would go to his house and play them. I remember this one time where my dad was, he got so mad because I wasn't listening. And I remember I had my game. I was playing. I think I was so close to beating the game too. I was at the end, Elite Four, everything, and I was on a couch, and he came in the house. He was like, "Yo, what are you playing?" I'm like, "Pokemon." He took my game, the Game Boy SP, cracked it in half. He made me go throw it away in the trash. Ain't that crazy? Depressed, devastated. Of course, I saved my data though. You know what I'm saying? I took the game out because I'm not crazy, but like, yeah, he for sure made me throw it away. I guess I didn't like this, because I thought I would. It just looks messy now. But Yeah, that's a core memory because I'm just like, wow, these are demon spawns, I guess, to him. I was like, man, that is something. Like, there's more other things to worry about than me playing a digital game with monsters that don't exist. I don't know. Hey, but that was me as a kid. But yeah, but Gengar, definitely one of my favorite dark types because Gengar is that nigga for real. Like, if you don't know, like, you know now. Cause what I used to run shit with Gengar. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hypnosis to a Dream Eater. Oh, beautiful combo. Jeez, what is going on here? Okay. See, I want to get this gray out because the gray is like gray. I want to make it a little bit like not so gray. I'm trying to see what can I do here. Maybe if I add another layer, because I have many layers, and this is probably why I should name them. Maybe if I take the saturation luminous, okay, nah, it's gonna change everything. Oh, let's cook this over. It's over. Maybe if I change the color, maybe blue. Oh, that looks great. What? See, this is why I get like, this looks really nice. What? That was a mistake, but we gonna save this because like, I just really like the colors. Like the colors, like they all match here. I like that too, actually. Well, it's actually, well, it's nice. I'd be like, damn, look, I really do that. I'm telling you, man, it just don't make sense to me. I just be like, how did I do that? This looks really nice though, like with the contrast, because the purple is like bringing out like as if he's not all the way colored. Oh yeah, well, this one is fire, bro. We gonna say this one too, like I got to. It's the second one. This might be my favorite as well, just because like the purple really brings, like, you could tell it's Gengar. But this is besides the point if I haven't made it already by this time, talking in pretense or whatever. But I am done with social media for a minute, so I think I'm just be posting everything just on my YouTube channel from like what I do, and from there, you know what I'm saying, we gonna see what I can do. So I think I'm gonna try to like make, you know, art TikToks, and all of my other TikToks and stuff I used to make. I'm just making videos and like post them on my YouTube, just because that's really something I want to do. Like, I want to be just YouTube first. I'm gonna use YouTube and then branch off to other stuff, but that's another video. So hey, I think, yeah, you gotta save this. We gotta say, I do like this. Okay, we going. I knew I had one already, bro. Like, I guess I really do like the blue. Yeah, so I'm gonna draw more Pokemon. You know what I'm saying? I think I can like make this like, I don't know, subcategory of like me drawing different stuff, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do it like that, but maybe I am. I think I am, because my brain just works that way for some reason. Leave a like under the video. Tell me what you guys think about the drawing. I think it's very simple. It didn't take too long to do, probably like an hour or so. But which one is you guys' favorite? Number 1, number 2, number 3? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.